Yes. No, there's some visuals. Okay, next. Next. Yeah, 30 years ago, ever so beautiful, Dr. Emma started with the mission of bringing out the beauty and wellness in everyone. It's a 3-bed clinic in Davao. And over the years, we've grown, we've innovated, we've evolved. But the one thing that stayed true is that extra level of care that we put in every single thing that we do. The relationships that we've built over the years with our clients, with our suppliers, with our partners, and the relationships we've yet to develop in the coming years, this is what makes BioEssence strong. And this is what will make BioEssence continuously stronger in the coming years. This is the same exact thing that we will stay committed to in the next 30 years. You know, caring beyond beauty. Where is it?
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the new BioEssence Ambassador, Miss Jenica Garcia!
Isa dito sa mga. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat. Ang dami niyo po pala, ano. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you. Papaunlakan ko kayo mamaya kung anong tatanungin na sasagutin po natin. Very happy ako. Sobrang honored na parte pa rin ako ng pamilya ng BioEssence. Nagsimula ako dito, 17 ako. And I'm turning 35 already, and dito pa rin. So, thank you. Thank you so much.
Once again, a round of applause for our newest BioEssence Ambassador, Miss Jenica Garcia. Hello to you. Hi. It was so nice to see you in the flesh, although we've been seeing each other earlier, more frequently than they did, because we just, of course, revealed the newest ambassador of BioEssence. And according to Sergio, of course, you really embody what BioEssence is about. What can you say about that?
Siyempre, hiyang-hiya tayo kasi talagang pinaulanan niya tayo ng lahat ng compliment sa mundo. Parang lahat ng adjective pinili talaga ni Joe. Pero, ayun, siyempre sobrang grateful ako. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa BioEssence. Nakakatuwa na I feel that the way BioEssence and I sees beauty is the same. Kumbaga, it's not anti-aging, but more of healthy aging. It's about embracing parang imperfections and seeing the beauty of it all. Kaya nakakatuwa kasi bibihira yung mag-endorse ka or you will be a part of a brand na you also strongly believe in.
And I really like what you said about this. It's healthy aging. It's high time that we embrace aging beautifully. Thank you for reminding everybody here that. Now, Miss Jenica, being the newest BioEssence Ambassador, and as we've known, Miss Jean Garcia, your mom, was also an ambassador for BioEssence.
Yes, siya talaga ang nauna.
And how does it feel that you are now the named newest ambassador of the brand?
Nakakatuwa. And this is not the first time. Kumbaga, second time ko na ito. Tapos nakakatuwa rin sa BioEssence kasi in a way, I feel that they are with me in all my wins. Nung una kong in-endorse yung BioEssence, when I was, I think, 17 or 18 years old, I had my first break as a lead actor for GMA7 at that time, under Adik Sayo, partner ko si Dennis Trillo. Tapos, tumigil ako sa pag-aartista for 7-8 years. Pagbalik ko, after Dirty Linen, ito na naman si BioEssence.
Welcome back!
I know! So sabi ko, nakakatuwa naman na nakikita ni BioEssence yung milestone ng buhay ko at nagkakasabay din kami. Super happy ko rin for the brand itself, especially to Doktora na talagang reason kung bakit nagsimula yung BioEssence kasi ang tagal na rin talaga ng BioEssence sa business. 30 years is 30 years. We have to give it to them that they already know what they are doing when it comes to skin.
And of course, we're really looking forward to more wins of Miss Jenica Garcia, and this time with BioEssence. Now, we have actually gathered some questions from the media people that we have over here, and I think hopefully they're gonna have some time with you later on. But for now, I'm gonna, do this solo. I'd love to have more time with you. So since you've mentioned that BioEssence is now celebrating its 30th anniversary, I want to know your secret. You're glowing for 30 years now. What's the secret to it?
Actually, si Mama, feeling ko yung secret is makinig lang talaga sa mga advice ni Mommy. When I was younger kasi, I wouldn't believe her when she tells me that sleep and water is very important. And ayoko talaga sanang isagot yun. Kasi naalala ko nung medyo bata-bata pa ako, yeah, right, sleep and water. Ganun yung nasa isip ko. But, once you reach the age of 30 and you get very little sleep, you'll notice how different your skin is the morning you wake up when you get a good night rest. And I'm a strong believer kasi talaga na prevention is really better than cure. So, huwag mong idadahilan sa sarili mo na okay lang, bata naman ako, kaya ko naman yung mga 2-3 hours of sleep. Kasi, hahabulin ka ng fine lines.
Please don't talk about me on stage. Don't attack me.
So, yun, parang ganun talaga. So, yun talaga nakikita ko. And of course, have a healthy and happy disposition. When you're not happy in life, whatever is giving you weight, you have to learn when to let go. Huy! Huy! Hindi, nagbibiro lang po ako. Mamimili tayo ng laban sa buhay. Parang yung mga masyadong mabigat, alamin natin kung kailan sila dapat bitawan at alamin natin kung ano yung dapat natin pinangahawakan para gumigising tayo ng masaya kasi nakikita yun sa mukha natin.
I love that. We got a little pep talk from the Miss Jenica Garcia. Salamat sa wake-up call. And I like the reminder that everybody, you have to learn when to let go. And if life stresses you out, don't forget to go to the nearest branch of BioEssence so that, you can rejuvenate and relax. Now, Miss Jenica, again, as mentioned earlier, you want everybody to learn how to embrace aging healthily and beautifully. And with BioEssence, of course, with Caring Beyond Beauty, the tagline, we also embrace innovation that goes through time. And we have proudly presented to everybody the newest app of BioEssence called SC. What can you say about this innovation and about this, newest thing that we have here at BioEssence, Caring Beyond Beauty?
Kaya nga si Joe na yan eh. Parang utak na ni Joe yan, yung skills na yan. So, ng CEO natin, nakakatuwa kasi feeling ko, in this day and age, sobrang lagi naghahabol ng oras sa mga tao. So it's nice that we now have a wellness app wherein I think one of the reasons why some people find it difficult to book sessions is because mahirap, hassle, or itatawag mo pa and everything. At least now, with the new app, it's all there. Para makakapag-book ka na real time, it's easy for you to schedule sessions. Tapos, yung mga kailangan mo rin, like articles, if you're someone who's like me, super enthusiastic about skin and skin health, nandun na din, may mga articles silang makikita that will allow them to make informed choices about their skin. Yun siguro yung maganda ngayong 2024. Hindi na tayo basta naniniwala, ito maganda to kasi ito yung maging effect sa skin mo. Iba rin syempre yung kagaya na meron tayong wellness app kung saan yung articles natin is of course scientific and evidence-based. Hindi siya based on, ito nag-trend kasi to, ganyan. So it's nice. At hindi lang yan, may mga products din sila makikita from there.
You know what? You really are the perfect choice to become the ambassador of BioEssence because they did not just get a model, they did not just get an ambassador. They also got a mental health advocate with all the things you're talking about when it comes to wellness. So we're really grateful that you are here with us. You're now part. Welcome back to the family of BioEssence. Now, Miss Jenica Garcia, any words or any message to everybody here may dapat ba silang abangan sa'yo aside from, being part of new milestones or more milestones of BioEssence?
Okay, so there will be movies that would play where I am there, mayroon ding teleserye, but I want to talk about Bio-Essence now. Gusto ko ibigay ito ng buong-buo sa Bio-Essence. Okay, di ko kasi nakikita yung mga faces exactly ng mga tao dito. But if this video reaches the social media, ma-post ko, makita ng mga followers ko, patuloy lang po kayo magtiwala sa akin na hindi naman po tayo mag-endorse ng isang bagay na hindi natin pinapaniwalaan, hindi natin gagawin. When I signed with Bio-Essence, it's because I am all for their non-invasive procedures and treatments. I think it's nice. I mean, I have to say it na, sorry. Parang it's nice na kung paano nag-a-advance yung science. Ang ganda na ang dami na nating options to keep aging at bay and to age beautifully. But because my mom kasi, who is already in her 50s, hindi niya agad ginagawang option kasi yung mga treatments na invasive. And because she's aging so beautifully, like fine wine, syempre, idol kayo mommy ko. And ang ganda na pareho ng pinaniniwalaan ko, yung pinaniniwalaan din ng Bio-Essence. While Bio-Essence have treatments that are age-old practices, tried and true, evidence-based, nakakatuwa din na very innovative din sila. Ang dami nilang naiisip na ways on how to continue offering non-invasive treatments that gives result. So, see you in the nearest Bio-Essence branch. Salamat po.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, newest Bio-Essence Ambassador, Ms. Jenica Garcia! And now I would like to invite you to join us for a photo opportunity, Mr. Joseph Policiano, Ms. Ange, and of course, together with Dr. Emma for a quick photo opportunity. But before we let our ambassador go, Ms. Jenica, and our, of course, guests here on stage, we would like to announce the special winner for tonight. We have a major raffle